It's like we just came from the time travel.
With summer vacation winding down and kids heading back to school, why not indulge one last time with the best summer ingredients?
Yeah, Chef Matt Dean Pettit is here to show us 3 dishes that you have to eat before the end of summer. Welcome back to Your Morning Kitchen.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks for being here. Okay,
this is beautiful.
I love everything here.
You know what? The idea is, like you said, the end of summer blowout meals. So let's go over the top.
Okay.
Let's have some fun. So I love seafood, as you know, starting with beautiful Canadian seafood.
Wow.
So you got to start with an epic seafood tower.
Yeah, and it is epic.
And is it the end of the season for this stuff?
Well,
here?
no, you know what? Lobster's going to still be a little bit. Our crabs coming from cold North Atlantics, and our sustainably sourced shrimp are coming from Florida on those. So you've still got some time on a few things.
Okay, we're going to eat while you talk.
This is it. So, exactly. This is what it's meant to be. Beautiful. So poach your shrimp, poach your lobster. Again, you want to make this a big tower. If you do not have these towers, you can do them with plates, pie plates, and just build.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah, just sort of build away. Again, you want to make this over the top as possible, you know, and just have some fun. How do you like that cocktail sauce?
I love that cocktail sauce.
Really
I was going to
nice.
ask you, how do you make your own at home?
So ketchup, a little prepared horseradish, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. That's a fun word to say.
Yeah.
And then lemon.
Lemon.
Yeah, and you just sort of mix it.
That's great.
You can put in, some people put in balsamic or white vinegar as well.
To get a little more of that
A
tart.
little something, yeah.
I like that.
I find it will be a little dark with balsamic. Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to move to burger. This looks like you left the wrapper on.
I did. That's like,
burger?
don't eat that, that's plastic. I'm just kidding. No, we live in a world where now everything is for the gram, right?
Yes. Right.
So we're doing it for the gram. This is
Brandon
fun.
would love this.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. I've seen his stories. So with that being said, this is a gold leaf burger. So we've got, I want you guys to stack it.
Okay.
So you've got some spoons there, guys. Have some fun.
This is a very heated topic on this show about how to stack a burger.
Fair enough. So we're going to have fun. So it's a competition. So the bottom, you want to do the bottom there. There you go, with your little sauce.
Is this
So
like
it's
a relish?
secret
What
sauce.
is it?
Can I stack it my way? Because you know me, I like my simple burgers.
Listen, please do.
I'll put the other side. I don't want like this stuff. Though.
Then keep it away. That's you know, the thing about a burger bar is stack it any way you want. But I do recommend obviously putting in some bacon. I know you like bacon.
Indeed.
We have some beautiful lobster.
It's a crispy one down here.
Come on,
lobster on my
Emery,
burger.
let's
I'm
get
not so
going
sure.
here. You're rocking here.
Oh, excuse me.
Burger. We've
Okay.
got some pickles. Are you doing caramelized onions?
I will, but I put it on the top, and I'm sorry if that's wrong, but that's what I'm doing.
Say, so if you're doing this at home as well with gold leaf, be
go.
careful. It is expensive, but it's also very delicate to use.
Okay, let's see.
Oh yeah, she's going.
How the heck do you put gold leaf on it? And why would you do that?
You know what? Again, we live for the gram.
Yeah.
You know, there is no taste profile that it brings in.
Is this going to get stuck in my teeth?
There's a good chance that it may. So
This goes on the top?
You know, yeah, that goes on the top. So that would be the middle
You know
one.
what? I'm going to leave it there.
Oh, we're going to do like one of these.
Oh, look at
Oh,
this.
and now it's on my fingers.
Now it's so come back in here. Let's go. Stack it. Oh yeah, there you go. Maybe even flip it upside down just to be safe.
We're really gonna do
I can
this?
get the bib going.
I like this sauce.
There you go. There, look at this. This is teamwork. This is teamwork here. This is teamwork in the kitchen. Okay.
Chef, what's this sauce
Here you go, guys. Napkins.
What are we doing here?
Napkins. That is just a classic sort of simple sauce. So it's almost like the secret sauce from one of the big guys. So you've got mayo, you've got lemon, and you have relish.
That's really good.
I love that you've got gold leaf going on everywhere here.
Smile.
Yeah.
I'm not going to smile.
No.
You want to see
Here,
that?
I've got you another one here.
Okay.
This is summer epic blowout meals. We're literally doing it
Okay,
big
lastly, we
time.
only have a few seconds left.
Yes.
Oh, I love peaches. This is the time of year for them, too.
Bubbly for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. So we're getting into peach season. You nailed it, Emery. So beautiful Ontario peaches. We've got whipped cream. You've got little meringue cakes. Little meringues and whipped cream.
And what about this over here, buddy?
Oh, thank you, Ben.
Yeah.
Like this. It's not your first rodeo.
Boom, that's how that
Caramel?
gets done.
Yeah.
That's how that gets done,
Look
sir.
at that. You're getting right in there.
Right here. I'm getting all of it.
There you go.
I'm getting all of that.
my
All right.
man.
Thank you very much, Chef, for all these recipes. As always, go to yourmorning.ca.